Hello again, David from What Once Was. Been out yard sailing again. Not too much because I haven't had too much time for it this weekend, but I'll go ahead and show you what I got anyway. I think that did pretty good. Start over here with the Pro Talk baseball stand cutouts with a card. It's a talking card and they work, but I'm not going to press it because it's really annoying. A quarter a piece, and honestly, probably the most I could get for them is like 5. SCTV Volume 2. It's complete. Discs look good. I paid $2 for that, and I'll probably get about 12 to 15. Naruto, 2 movie editions and complete season 1 sealed, and this is the Japanese version. Now, $1 a piece for these, and these two are $5 to $8. They're pretty common. This one, 20 to 25. And $1 for the PlayStation Simpsons. It's probably not worth more than 5 either, but it also has a memory card in the package, which is going to be worth at least another 5. So that's not bad either. Couple of Game Boy Advance little cartridges here, all grown up in Hamtaro Heartbreak. The all grown ups probably not worth much. And again, these are 50 cents a piece, so it's no loss. But the most I would get for the grown up is probably like $3. The Hamtaro Heartbreak could be 5 to 8. Couple of camera lenses here, not bad. They're in excellent condition. $10 a piece for the camera lenses, and they're probably going to get around 50 used excellent like this. Now this is where it gets weird. Robo Panda, but Robo Panda, as you can see, still has all his little stickers on him. He's relatively unused. Now $5 a piece for the remote control vehicles in Robo Panda, and that's Shell Shocker, remote control Shell Shocker, and a Max Tech remote controlled car, all with the remotes. Robo Panda doesn't come with a remote. He comes with cartridges that you insert in his back, and he has 2 of them in his back already. So $5 a piece for these, 30 to 50 a piece for them. And since Robo Panda is relatively unused, he's probably going to be closer to the 50 mark. He's pretty common. He'll go for like around $30, although if I hold out, if I waited till around Christmas to sell him, I could probably get more than 50. And then of course the Max Tech remote control car, 30 to 50 is conservative because depending upon the model, and I'm not sure which model this is yet, they can get to be pretty expensive. I've seen used Max Tech's cars go for 100, 120. I'm not, no guarantee because I don't know if this one is one of those, but I'll find out eventually. So for the little bit of time that I had, this isn't bad at all.